Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today on this video. For some time now I was thinking if I should start a Matlab series tutorials, and today I decided yeah, why not, let's try it. Let's see if I can keep up with this. Yeah, so the question is, why should we learn Matlab? There are a few reasons, and yeah, the internet is full of discussions and debates on why you should learn that and that or that. But from my opinion and experience, I say that it's a good skill if you are working in, if you are an engineer and you work on, I don't know, automotive industries, and why not in control. And there are many areas when Matlab is very useful to know and very helpful if we can manage it right. So for now I will just start with Matlab 2018b. I will skip the installation part. There are many videos on YouTube where you can find how to install Matlab, and I will just take over from here when you have the Matlab installed already, and we can start together and learning something. Okay, so we have here the tool opened. I have here an M file, right, and some commands here. Maybe I don't know if the font is okay. Let's see if we can increase this one. Yeah, so 14, 18, maybe it's too big. Yeah, let's try 12. It's maybe you will concentrate too much and damage your eyes. Let's keep it at 14. Maybe we will change it if is requested to have this differently. Good. Okay, some settings, we are okay. As you can see, I have a blank page here, almost a blank M file. What is an M file? Yeah, M file. Here it's an extension used by Matlab where we can write our source code, right? So we will use an M file or many for each topic where we gonna play, right, with some stuff. And it's a habit to have some commands here. I will just shortly explain this one. So we have the clear, which will clear the command window, alright. So we have, let's say, make a mistake, right, and press F, okay, and we don't want to see this anymore. We just clear, right, the command window with CLC, gone. Then we define a variable, right. You see it was added here in the workspace. We need to, whatever reason, we need to get rid of it. We just simply clear all. Yeah, then we also can clear our command window, no problem. Let's say maybe we will have some plots, right? Plots, just randomly, right? We have this plot, and from our script we don't want to close it, right, by pressing the close button. We simply run our script, right, by pressing F5. We will just close. Yeah, see, it is closed. We also cleared the command window and clear all the variables if they are present. Okay, so the first topic which I want to attack today is, Matlab stands for matrix laboratories, so why not starting with arrays and matrices. So basically, indexing arrays and matrices. There are quite a few ways how to handle these arrays. So we will just start one by one and see what are the advantages and what we can do to with them, right? So first, I just want to use an M file and maybe use the command window for fast explanations, right? So the first topic is, this is how you comment, let's say, and yeah, open. Let's close this one. Okay, so let's see. We want to see what is subscript indexing. Okay, yeah, good. So what is subscript indexing? Maybe it's a fancy name, but it's not too much, right? So we gonna define some arrays and matrices, right? We will start with a matrix, right? Mat, right, equals. So we have options, some options, 2 and 3, 4, right? Then 5, 7, 3, right? And another line, so 2, 8, 5. This is 3 by 3 matrix, and we will just see in the command window by pressing the F5 key. So we have here 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 3, 2, 8, 5. Not a big deal. This is how you define a matrix. If you put here the semicolon and run the script, you will not see it in the command window because it's not displayed because you put. Okay, we will erase the semicolon and we just want to see it all the time when we run this in command window, right? Good. Now, indexing. Subscript indexing is when you specify an absolute position from your matrix. For example, right, you want to access your middle element here, 7. So how do you do this, right? This is let's say index equals mat, right? So the indexing in Matlab starts from 1 and not from 0 like the other languages. So it is, 2, we specify the row, and then the column, which is also 2, right? And let's see what with this provides. 7. This means that we accessed the 7 from the 2, the second line, and the second column. Thus, this is very simply, it's a straightforward, okay, with no problems. Okay, so nothing to say here more. Okay, you can also use, let's say, some combinations, right? Let's come, and this will not be displayed. We just want to use it like this, another combination. So mat, we want the second line, right, and 1, 2, and 3. What do you think this will return, right? So the second line elements 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this will return 5, 7, and 3. Okay, the row number and all the columns. Let's see. Good. So we are okay. This is another way, because you know, he knows to display 2 and 1, 2 and 2 and 2 and 3, and we specify this the second parameter in this it is an array 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so this is how we can access this second column. Another way is to use you know, just this format. So mat, and we need the, let's say, the last line, and we just 2 points. Here we can access all the column operator, and we access all the columns, right? So the third line, all the columns, this will display 2, 8, 5, right? Let's see. We will just put here a semicolon not to see that one, and only this one saved F5. So 2, 8, 5. Okay, this is about it. Okay, we will another approach with this will be to use the AND keyword, right? So let's say that we want to display only 8 and 5, okay, from the last line. So index L from element equals to mat, and we want the third line, right? And then okay, from the second column to the end, right? Okay, this will display 8 and 5, right? Let's comment the previous one and F5. 8 and 5. Yeah, good. So you can try hands-on, no problem, and then you will maybe understand more if you are at the beginning. For those on who already know this, is no problem, you can skip it. Alright, so then let's see what we want more. So we used here on the second line an array. What happens if we provide 2 arrays for the row and the column? Yeah, let's try to see what happens. So mat, and we call yeah, so 1, 1 and 2, and the second parameter will be 2 and 3. Let's see. Like I said, it will take 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, and 2, 3. Yeah, using this logic. Okay, let's run and see. So we have 1 and 2. You know, 1, the first line, and the second column. Okay, this is 3. The first line and the third column. First line and the third column. A 4. Then 1 2, yeah, we already said this, 2 2, which is a 7, and 2 3, yeah, this is the second line, and the last column, which is 3. So we have 3 4 7 3. Okay, so I think I will keep it simple at the beginning and not to you know getting a lot of. I will stop here for the first video, and I will continue in the second one with linear indexing, which is another way how you can access arrays and matrices. Thank you very much, and let's keep it simple for everyone that could understand. And maybe if I am too slow or too fast, just please say, and we will try to adapt for everyone to be okay. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.